Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, our first tug of war. There's myself and my Deadbolt, and RC Johnny's over for the day visiting, and we're having some fun with RCs. Thought, let's do a tug of war. So the first person to run over the guy on the ground wins. We got a spectators crowd there, you can see, cheering everybody on. So we just need a countdown from our camera person, and we'll hit the throttle and see who wins. Okay, hit the triggers in 3, 2, 1. RC Johnny wins! Turn her back. Come on. Run the poor guy over again. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Painful defeat.